Ready to craft progressive house that doesn't just move feet, but also touches hearts? Today, we're diving deep into the art of making emotional progressive house step by step to unleash your music's full potential. Our journey begins with the foundation, the melody. Start with a simple, memorable motif. Think about a few notes that create a sense of yearning or gentle uplift. Use long, sustained notes and perhaps a touch of vibrato to add warmth. Next, we build the harmonic progression. Instead of relying on overly common progressions, experiment with minor keys, suspensions, and seventh chords. These can introduce a subtle melancholic or introspective feel. Aim for a progression that feels like it's unfolding, creating a narrative arc. Now, let's paint with atmospheric textures. This is crucial for emotional impact. Layer soft, evolving pads with subtle filter sweeps. Consider using reverb and delay to create a sense of space and depth, but be mindful not to overdo it. We want to create an immersive environment. Introduce a gentle, pulsing bassline that complements the melody without overpowering it. It should provide a subtle rhythmic anchor, a heartbeat beneath the melodic layers. Think about a sound that's round and warm, not too aggressive. As the track progresses, introduce subtle variations, perhaps a slightly more complex rhythm in the drums, or a counter melody that interacts with the main theme. Gradually increase the intensity and emotional weight through tasteful automation of filters and volume. Finally, the breakdown. This is where you strip back the elements and let the core emotion shine. Focus on the melody and atmospheric textures, perhaps with a spoken word sample or a delicate vocal chop. Build tension leading into the drop. And when that drop hits, it should feel earned. The energy should return, but with the emotional resonance maintained. This step-by-step approach allows you to craft progressive house that truly connects. Go create something that moves people.